Hi, hello everyone. I'm back. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So my today's topic is Genchi Genjutsu. This is a Japanese word. The literal meaning of this word is go and see for yourself. Let me give you some background. This word has come from the Toyota production system. It is developed by Taichi Ohno. There are a lot of words which takes comes into the Toyota production system like Gemba. Gemba is the actual workplace. And the concept Taichi says the Toyota managers should be sufficiently engaged on the factory floor that they have to wash their hands at least 3 times in a day. That means person has to work on the floor. So how this Toyota management system was, there are basic 5 principles of workplace management as per Toyota. Number one, whenever there is a problem arises, just go to that workplace. Don't try to make any diagnosis of the problem on the phone. Check the process, involve all the stakeholders, all the related people, because seeing is believing. Don't believe what you don't see. 3. Take temporary countermeasures on the spot to ultimately resolve the problem. 4. Identify the root cause of the problem at hand. And 5. Standardize the process so that avoid unwanted reoccurrence. Nobody wants the problem to reoccur. And this golden rules of workforce management comes to the concept of Genchi Genbutsu, which means go and see yourself. I just change a little bit. The concept I change a little bit. What I do or what I did is instead of go and see, I just made it as go and solve. So how it works? So how it works is simple. Let's assume there is a situation. The situation is they report me a problem. They means the people on the shop. What happens when they report? I'm sitting in my office. What I have in my hand is only data. I might have the partial view of the reality because the person who is reporting the problem has reported me some facts and figures. But these facts are biased analysis. This is the analysis done by the person who is reporting in his own view. And maybe there is a distant interest either from my side or from this side. The impact, there is a high risk of wrong decision and poor execution because I'm depending on some imagination, I'm depending on something reported to me by someone else. And that is why there could be low level of confidence in the decision. Let's go to the next step. I go and I see the problem myself. When I go and I see the problem myself, I get the direct feeling of the facts. I can link it with the reality and there will be visible interest because I am seeing the problem myself. Then what happens is that there is the impact is the front line who is working over there. There is a motivation level is going up. What happens when I go and see the problem? I go and I study the problem. When I go and I study the problem, I actually creating the engagement with the people on the shop floor, and that leads to a teamwork, maybe a localized teamwork. There would be a meaningful dialogue. There could be a coaching or role modeling, anything. The impact will be there is a capability build up into 5 whys problem solving. You know 5 whys problem solving? For any problem, if you want to go to the root cause, you can ask one question 5 times. Why, why? When you ask the questions 5 times, there is an issue, you ask why, you get an answer, you ask why, you get another answer. When you ask it 5 times, you come to the root cause. There is a separate topic on it. I'll come back with that topic. The second impact could be there is a new confidence in the manager's role. the people who are working on the shop floor, there would be new confidence. So what happens? I have gone there, I have seen the problem, I study the problem, I solve the problem. And when I solve the problem, I learn. Along with me, they learn. Who? Who reported the problem? They learn. Who? The people on the shop floor. And as a whole, we improve. We celebrate. Impact, the confidence level is high. High confidence in the root cause analysis. High confidence in the execution of the countermeasures. High confidence in the manager's support. So when I go, I see, I study, I solve. We are actually creating a continuously learning organization. The all reports will be personally verified with the facts. The actions will be validated, and this continuous learning habit will be cascaded to the downmost level in the management hierarchy. This principle, though it has come from the Toyota production system to be applied into the organization, this can be applied into anything. This can be applied to the society. This can be applied to the personal life. Just do not take decision based on the reported data. Do not take the actions based on the reported. Just go to the place. Go to the place. Go to that game bar. You see yourself. You study yourself, and then be the part of the solution. And that's what is a Genchi game, Russo. Thank you. For more topics, more this thing, please subscribe to my videos. Please subscribe to my channels on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you very much.